Yo, what's up YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of futuristic fun, that is augmented reality or AR. Think about Pokemon but on steroids. Imagine dinosaurs stomping down your street, aliens peering from your wall, or even learning about history by walking through it. AR overlays digital stuff onto your real world, basically turning your phone into a magic window. AR will take you into a world that's like something out of a science fiction movie, but is very much a reality. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a mind-blowing journey into the future. Picture this. You are wearing special glasses and suddenly your world transforms. That's AR, augmented reality. Blends the real world with computer-generated elements, adding layers of information to your everyday surroundings. It's like having a secret superpower. Now let's unravel the tech behind the magic. AR uses camera and sensors in your devices, like your phone or smart glasses, to understand the world around you. Then it clearly overlays digital information, like virtual object or data, onto what you see. It's like having a helpful virtual assistant right in front of your eyes. AR isn't just for tech wizards, it is for everyone. Imagine trying on different outfits without changing a single piece of clothing. AR can make that happen. Shopping, gaming, and even learning become more interactive adventures. It's like turning the ordinary into an extraordinary. Speaking of learning, let's chat about AR's super cool role in education. It takes boring textbooks and brings them to life. History lessons become time travel adventures, and biology classes lets you dissect virtual frog without the icky mess. Learning has never been this exciting. But wait, there is more. AR is changing the game in the workplaces too. Imagine having holographic meetings with colleagues from around the world, or getting step-by-step AR instructions while fixing a spaceship, or maybe just your broken coffee machine. Hold on to your hats, because the future of AR is mind-blowing. We are talking about smart glasses that makes your favorite superhero mask look outdated. From healthcare to entertainment, AR is set to revolutionize how we experience the world. So there you have it, the 360-degree scoop of augmented reality. It is not just a tech buzzword. It is a game changer in our daily lives. Get ready to step into a world where reality and imagination collide, and the responsibility are as endless as our imaginations. Thanks for joining us on this AR adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology. Thank you.